Smart View, an overview in Microsoft Excel. Smart View is a comprehensive tool that connects Oracle's enterprise performance management and business intelligence for analyzing and updating and reporting in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Metadata and data can be easily analyzed, updated, utilizing ad hoc in Microsoft Excel. Main functions for Smart View in Excel. The Smart View tab. Panel. A panel on the right side of Excel for shared or private connections. Input or select a URL from the panel to log in. Refresh. See the current data and data source. Submit data. Save updates in data source. Options. Customize configuration member, data, advanced global, formatting, cell styles, and extensions by options. Ad hoc tab. Zoom in into the data from the connected data source at next all bottom levels. Zoom out collapses the cell view. Keep only. Delete all members except selected members. Remove only. Delete selected member. Member selection. Open member selection box to select or filter member and member properties. Change alias. Select alias to display in Excel for members. The screenshot below is Financial Consolidation and Closed Cloud Service, FCCS Properties, presenting in Smart View via Excel, including the metadata and properties of the account dimension. Simple steps to update FCCS Properties utilizing Smart View. 1. Enter connection and login. 2. Expand dimensions and double-click on target dimension for updates. 3. Pull up target member utilizing zoom in function or type in member name and alias. 4. Edit properties by clicking on target cell for a drop-down list to select or type in properties. And 5. Click Submit Data on toolbar and click Refresh. Submit data or analyze data in FCCS utilizing Smart View. 1. Interconnection and login. 2. Double-click on Console or Ad hoc Analysis, located panel on the right. 3. Input point of view for dimensions to see data. 4. Click on target cell and type in data for submission. Data cells backgrounds colored yellow allow users to submit data. 5. Click Submit Data on toolbar and click Refresh. And don't forget to join us for our open mic series. Every Wednesday and Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time, we answer your questions on cloud computing.